Before you buy Tigernut Extractor Machine, watch this first. Have you ever wondered how commercial Tigernut milk producers get smooth quality extraction without stress? This machine is one of the secrets, but before you rush to buy one, there are a few things you need to know. In this video, I will show you how to set it up, how to use it correctly, how it works, and where to buy it. Stay till the end because I'll be sharing practical tips that can help you avoid costly mistakes. Watch closely on how this Tigernut extractor machine is being fixed. That is the extractor net that I am holding right there. The net should roll freely before you continue fixing. The hole on the stone should go inside the tiny iron you're seeing there. This spanner came with the machine. Tight it properly. If not properly tightened, it can cause a serious accident. So always lock this properly. On my channel, I have a review of a cheaper extractor machine, which is quite cheaper than this particular extractor machine. But this particular extractor machine has more function. So to watch the other extractor machine, kindly click on the link in the description box below to watch that review. The other machine that I shared the review is quite perfect for someone that is just starting up and doesn't have a lot to buy this other particular one at the moment. That is the funnel right there. Are you ready to turn Tigernut into a profitable business, or do you want to upgrade your Tigernut Drink business game? Then join my Tigernut Drink Business Class and learn the exact profitable upgraded methods I use to produce quality Tigernut Drink, reduce waste, attract customers, packaging professionally, and make consistent sales. Don't just make Tigernut Drink, learn how to make money from it. Check out the link in the description box below to register. And the black button you are seeing by the side, it is meant for power supply. When your electric power is low and the extractor stop working, you can just press the white button on top, then it will pick up again. While that arrow you are seeing right there is to control how smooth your Tigernut milk is going to come out. In order to make your Tigernut milk come out smoothly, you just need to follow that particular arrow. it shows, the other side shows tiny and the other side shows otherwise. So just follow the arrow to get a smoother Tigernut milk. And there is a roller inside this particular place where chaff comes out from. If you correctly fix that roller to where chaff will come out smoothly, it will give that sound you wanted. Here are some important tips you need to know about Tigernut Drink Extractor. One is always check all bolts and nuts before switching on the machine, because this can cause vibration and damage the machine. Secondly, place the machine on a flat stable surface to avoid excessive shaking and wears. Avoid overloading the upper with slurry. I mean that funnel. Then fourthly, always wash Tigernut and remove all stones before grinding or processing, because small stones can cause damage to the net. Now, how do you clean the Tigernut Extractor machine after production? 1. Switch off and unplug the machine and remove leftover Tigernut residue. Flush the machine with clean water gently and don't allow water go into the engine. You can also use a non-fragrant soap. Wash all food contact parts and allow to dry. Now, the question is, where can you get this Tigernut milk extractor machine? Note that this extractor machine can also be used for soya milk. It can be used to extract soya milk. So kindly check out the description box below to get more information on that. Also, if you love learning profitable skills, I have a collection of ebooks or cookbook and online classes covering baking, cooking, Tigernut drinks, healthy beverages, hair treatment, and face and skin care recipes. These are practical recipes and methods you can use for yourself or turn into a business. Kindly check the description box below to get the link now. One mistake many people make is neglecting the filter net. If you don't clean it properly after use, your extraction rate can drop significantly. So in the part 3 video, I will show you how to properly use this extractor machine and the exact method I use to get more milk from the same quantity of Tigernut, how to clean the machine and how to wash the net properly. So if you haven't subscribed, do that now and turn on the notification bell and follow for the next video.